Dear student, today we are going to explain about the experiment number 3, which is calibration of dynamometer type wattmeter using phantom loading. This is the circuit diagram you are looking. In this phantom loading, we energize the pressure coil by a separate DC source of 220 volt and a current coil by a separate DC source 0 to 30 volt, and uh, current coil is controlled using a rheostat which is 0 to 125 which is काट दीजिए उसके बैक कर लेंगे. द करंट इज कंट्रोल बाई रियोस्टेट ऑफ 1240 ohm and 0.5 ampere, and ampere meter is used from 0 to 2 ampere range, and the wattmeter 1 W1 is 0 to 125 watt rating, and wattmeter 2 is 0 to 125 watt rating. We are calibrating the wattmeter second with the help of wattmeter 1. Now you can see this is the DC supply. Actually this is converting the AC to DC, and we take this DC supply and connect to the rheostat for varying the current through the current coil. This is ampere meter, DC ampere meter from 0 to 2 ampere, and this is the standard watt meter 0 to 125 watt, and this is the test watt meter which is to be calibrated from 0 to 125 watt, and this is the multimeter used for the measurement of the pressure voltage applied to the pressure coil, and the voltage is adjusted using this rheostat of 1240 ohms and 0.5 ampere, and we take the supply DC supply which is rectifier output and a connected rectifier output connected to the pressure coil of, as we can see, this 220 volt is applied from here, and this rheostat is that rheostat which vary the voltage and remain fixed at 220 volt. Now we can take the reading by varying the current through the pressure coil. We can adjust it to 0.5 ampere, it is how much, 0.1, sorry, okay, it is about 0.5 ampere. Now you make the current through the current coil and fixed at 0.1 ampere, and take the reading of wattmeter, a standard wattmeter that is about 10 watt, and this has a multiplying factor of 2 due to its connection, and the test wattmeter has also reading of 10 watt. It has also a multiplying factor of 2. Now the voltage applied is about 221 volt. Now this is the first set of reading. We repeat it for 0.3, can take it for 3. Now second set of reading we can take at current of the current coil at 0.3 ampere, and wattmeter reading is 30, which has multiplying factor of 2, and test wattmeter has about 28 and multiplying factor of 2, and another the voltage to the pressure coil is 220 volt, approximately it is 220 volt. Now we can see next set of reading we can take at point. It is okay. The current coil reading is at 0.5 ampere, and the wattmeter reading is around 54, and multiplying factor of 20, multiplying factor of 2. Also the test wattmeter has reading around, it is 52 or 51. Yes, it is 51, and multiplying factor of 2, and the voltage is 220 volt. Now this is two set of reading, and you can difference between the reading in a standard wattmeter and in test wattmeter. We can calculate the difference and calculate the error, and hence we draw the calibration curve. This is the reading. We post the whole reading in text. Okay.